The first step is to prepare the materials, small hardware for the compartment. All four lowering angle head screws are in place. The positioning screws must be aligned with the holes. Repeat the same operation for the other four corners. Then use a ring bubble to tighten the screws. After tightening, use a tape measure to measure the diagonal. Install the bottom square tube and pass it through. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the upper corner screws and tighten them. Install the corner posts after aligning the holes. After aligning the holes, pull the screws to 80%. Remember that the corner pillar must be able to shake left and right. Hang the beam after the corner post is in place. Install the upper beam in place. After the beam is in place, then tighten the screws under the four corner columns. Then tighten all the screws on the upper beam. Install the three small support beams on the top. Then install the 40 by 60 ceiling square tube. Fix the ceiling square tube. Connect the upper and lower square tubes with self-tapping screws. Install the top square tube with 30 by 50 in the middle, 20 by 20 on both sides. Fix them 30 centimeters inward from the end. Install the 3-meter long electrical pipe, one on each side. Fix the flathead lace and lay it out. Leave spacer on the floor for wall panels. Install the downspout at the four corners. Install the wall panels. Fix the wall panel.
绑好船板之后，然后在这个横风的边缘靠。
Cut the length of the lower board of the window seat to 90 and 50 centimeters above. Cut the door at 4 to 40 centimeters wide. Place a 20 by 40 square tube on each side of the window. Install the ceiling tiles and 4 tube corner edges. Install soundproof curtain. Place the top tiles evenly on, then fix them. Install the tile head shaft in order. Hammer it into a 90-degree angle. Glue to cover the nail cap to prevent water seepage and rust. Glue the side and door. Install the lock and adjust the floor. Check the details after nailing and fixing. Complete the installation.